A lot of persons do not know what is Keder. Now today, I show you some Keders for you, and you can know this Keder well. First, we can see this is PVC core inside of the Keder, and it is inside of the fabric. This fabric is, let me check. Yeah, it is 650 gram per square meters fabric, white fabric with white coatings, and this PVC core is transparent. Also, you can see this side, this area, we call it wild size, and then this is flap, this double flap. Also we have single flap, and find you can see this is single flap, and the wild size is very small, around 5 millimeters. And this PVC core have different size. This is 8 millimeter PVC core. And this is 30 millimeters. Also, the fabric have different colors. You can see this is green colors with a black coat, and this is black fabric with transparent coatings. This is colors. Okay, today is finished. Tomorrow I will show you what is the best quality Keders.